In the tech world, TPM 2.0 has become a headache for every PC user, especially those with older PCs below 8th generation. If your PC lacks TPM 2.0 or secure boot, you may face significant challenges. TPM 2.0 is a physical embedded security technology, essentially a microcontroller present in your computer's motherboard or some processors. TPMs employ cryptography to securely store vital information, ensuring platform authentications on your PC. Now, TPM is making its presence felt in gaming, such as with Valorant. However, if your PC is below 8th gen, it likely does not support TPM 2.0. You have the option to buy a separate TPM 2.0 chip and install it in your motherboard. Now, if your PC supports TPM, then you need to enable it from BIOS, and for that just click on the Windows icon, then go into the settings. Once you are in the settings, find the update and security, and in the update and security on the left side you need to find the recovery option. Now you will get here the two options: reset this PC and advanced startup. We will go with the advanced startup. Just click on the restart now. Now click on the troubleshoot, advanced option, and find here the UEFI firmware settings, which is actually BIOS settings. So we will boot our PC into the BIOS options. Now click on the restart, and there you go, you are now in BIOS. Now simply you need to find the TPM. Some PCs have TPM options in advanced and some PC have TPM option in security. Go into the settings and find the security option. Maybe in your case the TPM option is available in advanced option, so find it, trusted computing. Now open the trusted computing options and enable the TPM, and that's it. Simply you need to enable it and restart your PC. Your problem has been solved. But what if your PC does not support TPM? The answer is straightforward. If your PC lacks TPM 2.0, attempting to find a solution in Windows 11 may not be fruitful. Windows 11 demands TPM 2.0, and though you can bypass it during installation, certain software and programs optimized for Windows may not cooperate. So what can you do? A simple question is to use the Windows 10 Pro version. In Windows 10, TPM 2.0 is not as essential as it is in Windows 11. While Windows 11 imposes specific requirements including TPM 2.0, Windows 10 is more lenient. If your PC lacks TPM 2.0 and you encounter issues with Windows 11, opting for Windows 10 Pro is a practical alternative. It provides a reliable operating system without the stringent TPM 2.0 prerequisite, catering to users' diverse computing needs.